Coming soon in Whittier's gated Ravello community. Welcome to 15,351 Ashley Court, a bright and well-maintained 3-level residence offering approximately 1,680 square feet of comfortable and flexible living space. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a dedicated first-floor office, ideal for working from home or creating a quiet study space. The main living level offers inviting living and dining areas, updated flooring, and a functional kitchen featuring white cabinetry, granite countertops, and breakfast bar seating. 2 private balconies bring additional natural light and outdoor space, while the primary suite offers its own balcony with neighborhood and hillside views. Additional highlights include an attached 2-car garage, community guest parking, and access to the gated community's swimming pool. Enjoy excellent everyday convenience with nearby shopping, dining, and 24-hour fitness within walking distance. 15351 Ashley Court is coming soon in Whittier. For additional information and future showing availability, contact Sofia Chang with ReMax 2000 Realty.